this second half. If they can continue to find explosive plays in the run, especially with some of the turnovers that Dax had, this run game will keep them afloat, and then they'll pick their chances to try to go over the top.
One sack on this guy over there, not one.
That is so interesting. This Pokemon is Chinese. In other words, this Pokemon has a Chinese name. Tonight we're going to draw Chi-Yu. Codenamed, well, as the Goldfish Pokemon. Well, actually, it feels like something from a koi pond. One of those beautiful koi ponds.
Ezekiel Elliott gets a lot of credit for being the protection back, but watch Tony Pollard here. He saves Dak from a blindside hit. See Michael McFadden, he's untouched until Pollard, he's got to fake, then he's got to abort and go backside.
This Pokemon is quite easy to draw. There he is, everyone. All finished. That's all for now, everyone. Wow, it's quite fast for me. But I got it done. Anyhow, I better sign off for now. My battery's up. Anyway, I dedicate this to my goldfish.
Oh, come on.
And to all the pets out there. Sorry, my dad's talking about the football game. That's all for now.
There you go. Unbelievable.
I care for all animals, like dogs and fish. Everything. I care about it all.
Jeez, come on.
Stegosaurus, see you later.